Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Nedbank Gold Credit Card, and you will got all those information about Nedbank Credit Card. Credit Card Life Insurance. Credit Card include purchase protect with chargeback and optional credit card life cover in case of death, disability, critical illness, or uh, enhanced travel benefit. Optional top up travel insurance available. Enjoy get back exclusive discount up to 30% off your flight when booking through Greenbank. Travel on the Evo Super Shop and Security. Get real-time SMS for transition. Set your transfer and withdrawal limit using the Money app. Block and replace or freeze and unfreeze your card using the Money app or cell phone banking. Stop or block your card at any time using online banking or call this number. Your card is cheap and the PIN enable for added security. Document you will need your South African ID or a valid passport and work permit, payslip for the past 3 months or staple bank statement for the first past 3 months. Apply now using this channel. uh, New to this ban Nedbank. Create your Nedbank ID on the Money app or on online app application online banking before you apply. Already a Nedbank client logging to apply. Convention and control. Get an additional card for RS30. Manage your card with many Money app or online banking. Tap and go pay feature. Scan to pay using QR code. Link your card to Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Fitbit Pay, or Garmin Pay. Create a virtual card on the Money app to make online payment without needing to provide your physical card details. Flexible repayment option. Pay off your purchase over time with the budget facilities. Minimum repayment of 5% on outstanding balance. Change your credit limit on request. Use your card in store, online, at ATMs or abroad. Reward and discount. Get up to 2% unlimited cashback on your card spend. Use your card to pay and get 5% 50% off your NU Metro movies tickets, and get 25-second cash back for every liter of fuel when you fill up at BP with your Ginback linked card. Use your Ginback shop card at leading store at the Accept American Express. Earn more Ginback with every purchase when using your Ginback linked American Express card at accepting store. Now we are seeing this investment option. I don't know how many minutes it's happened, but I need to make it for 4 minutes. And yeah, I found some option to increase this limit. Learn more about the credit cards. Get more out of your American Express Amex credit card. Not all credit card are created equal. Few other compared with Amex by staff rider. Enjoy Nedbank card discount at NU Metro movies. See the latest NU Metro movies and get a discount with your Nedbank cards. For credit card hack every travel enthusiast have.